Hey guys, it's Bethany here with ABQ Creations. Today I'm going to change it up a little bit. I need to take off my peppy gel. So I'm going to show you how I use this baggie method to get my peppy gel off my nails. And all you'll need for this is a sandwich baggie, a paper towel, a bowl of really hot water, as hot as you can stand it against your skin. And then I like this awfully fast stuff. Pure acetone also works. This just kind of leaves a little moisturizer in it as well. So I'll show you how long it takes me, and it's a really easy removal method. Let's get started. Okay, I have my bowl of hot water and I put a little bit of acetone in. This is probably even more than I need. You just need enough to get the paper toweling soaked in. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of my hands into the bag. I folded the paper toweling up so it fits right inside the sandwich size baggie, and you don't want to let any water get into the baggie. That's very important. It will not work if you let water in. So you want to heat up that acetone by soaking it into the hot bowl, and I'm just going to start agitating my fingers in here. So I'm kind of moving them around to rub against the paper towel, and I can kind of seal up this baggie here. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep agitating, and then I'll move in later after about a minute and I'll start working it more with this hand. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, less than 5 minutes in, and it is removed. I love this method. I highly recommend it. If you guys want to know where I got my peppy gel from, I will link to it down below. It's a referral link. You get a discount, I get a discount. It's all good. I really love this stuff for at-home use. I am by no means a nail technician or anything like that, but I absolutely love using this product. It is so much better than nail polish. I highly recommend it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.